Hi class, this is Mr. Mark. Today we're going to use an online tutorial for independent learning. And we're also going to learn how to use your Google username and password to sign in to a Google app online. The app that we're going to be using today is called Build with Chrome. With Build with Chrome, you can learn how to use Lego blocks online to build structures and buildings anywhere in the world. So let's get started. First, you need to choose your class. Click on Folders. Choose Elementary Games. And Build with Chrome is right here. So let's click on Build with Chrome. And here we have it. The first thing we need to do is sign in with our Google username and password. Your Google username and password, I've printed them out on cards like this. So you need to come and get the card from me. So pause your video right now and come and get your username and password. Now remember, it is very important never to share this user and password with anybody but maybe your parents. Now that you have your username and password for Google accounts, let's go ahead and log in. One of the problems is that people forget to log out of their Google account. This is a shared computer that you're working on. It means you're not the only person that uses it. Many other people use it, and sometimes these people forget to log out. If we click Sign In, you'll see that Mr. Mark forgot to log out. So, you see this picture right here. Click on the picture and go ahead and sign out if somebody has forgotten to sign out. Now, let's click Sign In again. And now it's asking you to sign in with your Google account. Now, we don't want to sign in with Mr. Mark's account, so we want to click Sign In with a different account. So, click Add Account. So we'll type in our email address and click Next. And now we have to click type in our password. So, very important, on a shared computer, you never want this box to stay ticked. Here it says Stay Signed In. That means that the next person that comes into the computer and uses this computer can actually log into my account. We don't want a shared computer to save our password, so make sure that this box is unticked. Did you untick the box? Okay, we're ready to sign in. Click Allow. And as you can see, you see my picture up here. That means that I'm signed in. What we want to do now is go to Build Academy. Here is Build Academy. You can click through here and find Build Academy. So this is where we will train to become a master builder. You can start the challenges by clicking on the green button. And here we are. Click Start. Up here are the instructions. Every build begins with a base plate, which you can rotate. Try it on your own. So I'm going to click here and rotate my base plate. I can also rotate it by interacting with the base plate dial controls. By clicking here. Now try rotating the individual bricks by tapping the Rotate button. So the Rotate button is right here. Now, Simply follow the instructions and complete every task that the online teacher gives you. At the end of class, when it's time to log out, you now need to log out of two things. You need to log out of Google, and you need to log out of Edmodo. So let's log out of Google. Here, click on the face, and click Sign Out. Okay, you're signed out. And number 2, click on Edmodo, and click Log Out. And if you have any questions, ask 3 people before me first. And if you still don't have an answer to your question, come and see me.